You can nibble the dead skin off my foot.
I think I'm gonna skip dinner tonight. Thanks.
What? That's what fish do. I've seen it. In the mall.
Right. According to the...
The following message is broadcast from the United States National Weather Service. A hurricane named Ian is attacking the United States. It already destroyed the west side of Cuba, now it's destroying Florida, now it's up the way to South Carolina. This is a dangerous act, in the effect for this area, for dangerous and damaging winds. This is issued up to 36 hours aka 3 days, complete efforts of protecting your life. You need food, water, cash, fuel, and medications, for 3 days, also. Happy birthday Crashy, stay tuned for this message.